those of you guys that just picked up a brand new Mustang or are looking to switch up your exhaust on your 5.0, I'm gonna show you guys what a Corsa Extreme sounds like. This catback comes in two different variations, which is the double X pipe and double H pipe. I currently have the double X pipe on my car. So for those of you guys that are looking at a double H pipe, you're gonna have to look for another video. Or this might convince you to get a double X pipe. Personally, the double X pipe is a lot more raspier up top, but I think it sounds really good. So I'm gonna start off in first. It just sounds so good. Do a little second gear forward. The downshifts are really nice because it likes to pop a lot. These Coyotes have like pops from, they like pop from the factory. Like my car has